This is the uh, right explanation. How are we going to earn 1% rebates daily from the gadgets? So for example, you bought the S3 amounting of $3,000, and then the hash rate of that, or the hash power, is 3,000. Now, all you have to do before you are going to earn the 1% rebates, which is $30 daily, you need first to burn ASOLG required for activation. How many ASOLG? That is 10,000 ASOLG.
Mm.
For how long? Around 3 to 6 months for you to activate this phone. Now, is there any possible way for us to lessen the 3 to 6 months waiting? Yes, all you have to do is to top up another, let's say you top up 300,000 worth of CPI or staking on your account. So instead of waiting 6 months, it will be lessened to 3 months. Okay? All you have to do is to wait 3 months because you top up the $3,000 on the staking, and then the $3,000 that you top up on CPI or staking will definitely earn $30 daily immediately. Okay, but after 3 months, once you earn the 10,000 ASOLG required for activation, your device will show there burn. So you are going to burn the 10,000 ASOLG. Once you burn it, it will immediately appear the activate now. So activate, click activate, and then boom, it will start generating $30 every day from your phone plus the $3,000 worth of CPI. So definitely you are earning uh $60 minimum every day. The beauty about this phone is that you are going to earn you are going to earn, number one, rebates daily, plus you are going to earn mining of SOLG lifetime, and then you are also going to earn AI long coin, which is the third one, ways of earning. So there are 6 ways to earn once you have mobile phone. The first one is the 1% rebates daily. Second, SOLG. You are going to earn it or mine it. Third is the AI long coin. Okay. So you are going to have a AI long coin lifetime earning from it. And then the fourth one is that you are going to have the Visa crypto debit card, which means the moment your downline get their or activated their crypto Visa card, you are also get rebates out of it. And then the fifth one, every time there is a new project being listed on L-Long blockchain, you are also going to get uh, airdrop out of it. So a lot of projects will be listed soon on our L-Long blockchain, and you are going to enjoy the airdrop out of it. So that's fifth. And then the sixth ones, of course, the leadership bonus, you are also going to earn from it. So that's the beauty of having a gadget. All right. And take note, ladies and gentlemen.